Most people misunderstand hotel credit cards in the first 30 seconds of researching them. They either assume it is free luxury travel on demand, or they assume it is not worth it at all. But the truth sits somewhere in the middle, and that is where the real opportunity is. Here's the truth no one tells you. The IHG One Rewards Premier credit card can be extremely valuable in 2026, but only if you understand how to use its points, free nights, and status benefits the right way. In this video, you'll learn exactly how the card works, what benefits actually matter, where people lose value, and whether it is truly worth it for your travel style this year. By the end, you'll know if this card can realistically save you money on hotel stays, or if you should skip it. Let's break it down in a simple way. The IHG One Rewards Premier credit card is built for people who stay at IHG hotels like Holiday Inn, Crowne Plaza, Intercontinental, and similar properties. Every purchase you make earns points, and those points can be used for free nights or upgrades. Sounds simple, but here's where most people go wrong. They collect points without a redemption strategy, and that is where value disappears. Now here's where it gets interesting. The biggest advantage of this card is not just points. It is the combination of points plus the annual free night certificate. Every year you keep the card, you receive a free night that can often cover hotel stays worth much more than the card's annual fee. For example, someone like Alex planning a weekend trip could use that free night at a hotel that normally costs $150 to $250 per night. That alone can offset the card cost immediately. But here's the problem. Many users waste this free night on low-value stays just because they don't plan ahead. That is like using a discount voucher on something you didn't need in the first place. Now, let's talk about the welcome bonus. In 2026, the sign-up bonus is usually the fastest way to earn a large chunk of points. If someone like John signs up and meets the spending requirement within the first few months, he can unlock enough points for multiple free hotel nights. But if you miss the spending window, you lose the biggest advantage of the card. Timing is everything here. Another important feature is elite status. This card often gives automatic IHG elite status, which can include perks like late checkout, bonus points on stays, and room upgrades when available. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even if you do not travel often, just a couple of trips per year can make these perks feel very valuable, especially in expensive cities. But let's be realistic. This card is not for everyone. If you rarely stay at hotels or prefer Airbnb-style travel, you may not fully benefit. The value comes from staying within the IHG ecosystem. If you do, the rewards compound quickly. If you don't, the benefits feel limited. So is it worth it in 2026? Yes. If you are a consistent traveler or plan even a few hotel stays per year and want to reduce costs. The free night certificate alone can often justify the card. Add points and elite status on top, and it becomes a strong travel tool. But if you do not stay in hotels regularly, then you may not extract enough value to justify the annual fee. It all comes down to usage, not just ownership. To summarize, the IHG One Rewards Premier credit card works best for planned travelers who maximize free night certificates, use points strategically, and stay within IHG properties. It is not about casual rewards. It is about intentional travel savings. If this breakdown helped you understand the card better, hit like, leave a comment with your travel plans, and subscribe for more simple, clear credit card guides that help you make smarter financial decisions.